Hey. Okay. All right, what's up, guys? So found a spot out here at the Wes Watkins Reserve, the lake out here in McLeod, Oklahoma. We've got a camp set up. Fire's still trying to go. I didn't video that, but the wood was wet, unfortunately, and so yeah, I'm trying to get that started. So anyways, but I did find this really neat trail that goes down here to the lake. Let me see if I can switch this around. All right, so this is the trail, and it did rain quite a bit actually last week, all of last week, in through this morning, kind of half the day this morning. So yeah, as you can tell, it is a mess out here. But anyways, let's try to avoid that trail. We'll go off the path. Anyway, so this is the lake that I've never been, actually. I've never been out here. And I think this was built, gosh, already 20 years ago, maybe? I'll have to double check. I know it's a man-built lake, and it wasn't horribly long ago. You got a loading dock on the other side over there with a fishing pier. Well, not a fishing pier, but so you got a loading dock right over there. Sorry about the wind. It literally just picked up quite a bit, actually. But good old Oklahoma storms. Not bad, actually, huh? Not a bad little spot. I mean, you guys saw my camp. It's new to me, so. But for right now, it's peaceful because of the rain, and it's still chilly out. So I think there's one other person in this U-shaped campsite area, but as you can see behind me, it's peaceful. You can hear the birds. Anyways, I've got Dash up there. I need to start dinner. I'm gonna throw some more logs on the fire. Yeah, guys, and we'll check it out. We will. I gotta throw out the steak that I bought. Tonight we're gonna cook ribeye, fried potatoes. So I'm gonna chop those into, or I'm gonna keep them up. Fried potatoes is one of my absolute favorite things for both breakfast and dinner. All right, guys. So made it up to camp. I've got to lay out the steak. It's been sitting on ice in the cooler now for, well, a while. So I'm gonna bring that up to temperature a little bit, get all my stuff lined out, get it ready. Sorry about the wind. Yeah, guys, get this camp started. I'm hungry. I know Dash is hungry, so I'm gonna feed him. And sorry about the background noise. It's the only other spot I could find out here that was surrounded by trees. I mean, they all are, but the rest of them are right here by the road, and they're side by side. I didn't figure anybody was going to get right here. So anyways, let's get dinner started, guys. Okay, good boy. All right, guys, let's see. So I think I brought 2 of these, but drink of choice tonight, other than wine with my steak, is Coors Light. So I've got a bell pepper to go with tonight's steak that I'm gonna grill. I've got potato that I'm gonna cook up to make fried potatoes. I'm gonna probably eat half of it tonight with dinner, and then half of it in the morning for breakfast. And this, if you guys haven't had one of these, this is a dragon fruit. This particular one is a red dragon fruit. Delicious. My absolute favorite dessert or fruit right now. And I've got, yeah, the rest of the stuff is for breakfast tomorrow.
That's 3 hours. There ain't no way we're gonna make it all the way to Red Rock before it catches us.
Good morning, guys. Got a lot of rain last night, so I'm trying to get a fire going. I did have some wood that was stored underneath the awning, so some's dry. Most of it's wet though, unfortunately. But Dash is up there enjoying a treat at the moment. So I'm gonna hop on the grill or my burner stove. I want to make some B.E.Ts, bacon, egg, and tomato sandwiches, and then some hot coffee, and start this day. Hey guys, all right, Dash and I are headed out of camp. I didn't video me eating the breakfast. It actually turned out pretty good, so try it. And packing up. It started to rain, unfortunately, so I was kind of in a rush to get everything packed up, and then Dash in the Jeep, that way he could make sure he stays dry. So anyways, headed home for a few days. Next trip, I'm gonna try to go down to southeast Oklahoma to the Broken Bow area, the Beaver Bend area. If you guys have never been there, then definitely check that out. A high recommendation if you either live or come to Oklahoma. Southeast Oklahoma, beautiful this time of year, and then in the fall, real beautiful. But anyways, wanted to say thanks for watching. I do appreciate it, and you know, as always, if you guys also enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. That does help the video, that helps me and the channel, and it helps notify YouTube that at least you guys enjoyed the content. So anyways, I do appreciate everybody that's watched this all the way to the end, and that's subscribed to me. That doesn't go unnoticed, so thank you. I reached 300 subscribers just the other day, actually, so that's awesome. Much appreciated to everybody that does that. So anyways, we're gonna get on the road, so I do appreciate, again, everybody that's watched, and I will touch base as soon as I get to where I'm going next. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.